Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my everyday quick after dinner kitchen cleanup routine. It's so easy, so simple, I love it. And y'all saw my kitchen, it really needed some attention. We had build your own gyros for dinner that night, so it got real. All right guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up for you guys and you can clean with me or you can just chill and listen to some music. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I need you to let me know down in the comments that I'm not the only one whose Tupperware cabinet is a hot mess. Why do I have 42 lids but 7 containers? Comment down below and let me know I'm not the only one. Alright y'all, that is it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see here, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.